Is your home's sewer lateral damaged? There's a revolutionary trenchless method that can replace it without destroying your yard. It's called pipe bursting. Here's how it works. First, technicians create two small access points, one near your home and one at the connection to the city sewer. Then a cone-shaped bursting head is pulled through your existing damaged pipe. As it moves through, it fractures the old pipe outward while simultaneously pulling a new durable pipe into place behind it. The benefits are significant. Unlike traditional dig and replace methods that require excavating your entire yard, pipe bursting preserves your landscaping, driveways, and walkways. There's minimal disruption to your property, and the job typically takes just 1 to 2 days instead of a week or more. The new pipe is seamless and more durable than your old line, often made from high-density polyethylene that resists roots and corrosion. Plus, you'll avoid the costly restoration of torn-up concrete, grass, and gardens. If you're facing sewer lateral issues, ask your plumber about pipe bursting, the smart, efficient way to upgrade your home's connection to the city sewer system. For more information, call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating at 604-872-4946 or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com.